Before I use it, I'm gonna make a video. It's a little grinder, goes like that. The handle folds, so look, it folds. It's very sick. You open straight away like this. It's got magnets, small one there, small one here. It clips together. You can rotate on both sides. You have to hold this and then with the other hand to grind it. It's got a bottom bit. This is where it drops, so basically inside here, you can drop here the dust and you can collect it till it's enough to make a joint. It's very nice stuff.